Bodie? Bodie! Open this door, son! Oh, no, you don't.
I can't help it, Dad. The music's in me. It's in me. Angus says it's like a fever that takes hold and never lets you go.
You disappoint me, son. Okay, this is your post. Get used to it. See you at dawn.
Sunrise?
Yes, dawn, sunrise, first thing in the morning, end of the night. Come on.
Huh. Okay.
Fellas, come on! Settle up, guys. It's me. See?
Why are you dressed up like a wolf?
Wow, seriously? You've all forgotten the plan? I specifically picked you three because you're the best and the brightest.
Yeah, for sheep.
All right, just put these on.
Hey, look. Wolf ate my head.
There's nothing funny about that. Okay, Bodie's in position. On my signal, we give him the scare of his life. That was the signal.
The wolves are coming! The wolves are coming! Shut your windows! Lock your doors!